I'm Derek Wolf with Over the Fire Cooking. We can start on the Cilantro Lime Dipping Sauce. So I have an empty bowl that I'm going to be using to actually put the dipping sauce in. Next thing we have is some sour cream, mayo, lime, and we have cilantro. Because I'm going to actually chop up the cilantro. It doesn't need to be super fine, but it does need to be enough that people can still see it inside there and still get that flavor. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna actually zest this lime. So you can just get a simple zester and just get the outside of the lime. And then we're just gonna cut it in half and use this for the juice. Next, we have our sour cream. It's about 2 parts sour cream and 1 part mayo. We're just gonna mix this up. Boom, just like that. You have your cilantro lime dipping sauce.